All right, boys and girls. So now we've got one with a little bubble and it says think about it. So that kind of tells me that this one might be a little more challenging than the ones that we've been looking at. So let's read this problem. It says the volume of the cube is 64 cubic millimeters. What is the length of one side? So I noticed that they did give us a picture this time. And so what they told us about this picture is they gave us the volume. They've already calculated the volume of this figure, and that they said that the volume is equal to 64 millimeters. They also told me that this is a cube. And so one thing that stands out to me when I read the word cube is, oh my, all the sides are the same. All sides are equal. And I have to stop and think about what is the formula for a cube. So when I go back and look at my paper for the cube, I see that we have side times side times side. And one reminder is whatever number I pick, it has to be consistent. So I'm going to start with side times side times side equals 64. So the first thing that comes to my mind would be the number 8, because when I think about the number 8, I know 8 times 8 is 64. However, if I put 8 here and I put 8 here, then that leaves me nothing for that third side. So I'm thinking 8's going to be too big. So I'm going to cross that out. That's not going to work. So I have to think of something much smaller. So I'm going to maybe think about cutting that in half. What is half of 8? That's right, that would be 4. And if I have 4 times 4, then I have 16. And if I have 16 groups of 4, what will that give me? Well, I'll need to work that out. 16 times 4. Well, 16 times 4 is 6 times 4 is 24. And 4 times 1 is 4 plus 2 more would give you 6. So 64 will be the answer. So what is the length of one of the sides? One of the sides is equal to 4 millimeters. And I hope, boys and girls, that the way that I work this out by just kind of making my blanks and kind of filling them in and just doing a little bit of processing kind of helps you understand that it's okay to kind of map pieces of this out with numbers to help you find the answer.